Taking a little vintage inspo from this magazine pull, I want to show you how to tie it like a mini halter dress. So remember, we have a long side and a short side of our cream skirt. We're going to take the short side here and place it around your back and then wrap it around like this. Whoop. And tie it at your neck, just behind the head. And you can tie it to whatever size fits you. Some of you might have longer tails here and some of you might have shorter tails. And you can also just wear it like this with a bathing suit bottom at the beach, or you can wear it with a trouser too, and I'll show you that later. But for this tutorial, we're going to take the ends like this, and you're gonna kind of fold them up to where your waistline is. And what I like to do here is kind of stick your booty out just to get that extra stretch here. Like if you just wrap it like this, it might not stretch enough, but if we kind of scooch that out and wrap it around your bod, you're gonna wrap it here and then tie it in a knot to secure it. So the way I like to describe putting these sets on is you want to wrap it first and then you want to zhuzh it. And by zhuzh, I mean you're going to pull out the fabric in this kind of like plucking motion, and it helps to lay some of this folding a little more evenly across your bod. And you can smooth out any underlayers that look bunchy. And with this style, you can keep the waistline at your natural waist, or you can raise it up to be more under the bust. If you're really get really agitated by anything squeezing your middle section, you might like it under your bust right here. And just keep playing until these folds look really even and pretty. And there we go. There is the look. And I'll show you it without the bodysuit right now. Okay, so here it is without the bodysuit underneath. What you can also do is open this up a little if you want a little cutout in the center. And that's another really sexy look if you're looking to kind of glam it up. Boop. So this also looks cute with sandals and just a big overshirt if you're gonna be bopping around and maybe need some layers, because I know it's still a little chilly here. But this is kind of a cute solution to dress it down and make it more casual. Or you can dress it up with a pair of hoops and heels. Easy for a night out dancing or going out to dinner, and you still have a lot of room in here to eat and feel comfortable and adjust as needed through the night. Voila!